Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use a wireframe modifier in Blender. So let's get started. The first thing, I'm gonna select the cube and go to edit mode and right click on the cube and subdivide it multiple times like this. You can see we have subdivided the cube. Then we are gonna add a wireframe. So go to object mode and go to modifiers, and in modifiers tab select a wireframe modifier. You can see we have perfectly added a wireframe modifier. We can increase the thickness like this. Can also make an animation like this. You can see you can make a fading animation like this. You can do this in different areas, and we can also increase the offset, increase the thickness like this. You can see the difference. So this is it in wireframe modifier. For more tutorial like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.